ye ro hegetura bakala pagiterma tako we saw we hiskia no we hiskia kita no kuda ro pero katura bakala no ye hiskia age krula tako la menu gele okay la menu gele no cha pagiterma ta ero tera ro la menu gele pero tinya okay maybe dini no we want to talk about the Ezekiel call. Ezekiel call is key call. Okay. Here something happened. Okay. We want to talk about we want to reading about the Bible. Ezekiel chapter 2. No. Panel we pagdama we Ezekiel. No. Ezekiel aware no la Sarukini tak tu tara poa le cle ue ama le panapo siva no Tera pay he said to me no awetevaya no son of man no pakanyo pukwa no stand up on your feet and I will speak to you no reseta na kom no reseta no pagterma reseta no pagterma no reseta do na kom reseta na ko do yeka katurana okay yeka turana as he spoke no do when katurana the spirit came into me and raised me to my feet no panero taso shine tera hanle yepu do pagterma raise me to my feet tera no do duke setakia pagterma la anokasa he setat me no when it that me duke seta taso shino and I hear him speak to me do yena hueda le awake to ya he said not David son of man no pakanyo pukwa I am sending you to the Israelites no ya yikashalo na su no pa Israel or to a rebellious nation that has rebellions against me not dollar rebellion sit down and meet learn a putho tapra kutarane no awetera le pay no away ni mita la tak putho tapra la hako dobi no do pani do pagterma away mita la tap no tap putho tapra no rebels against me. Let us look at what it Kathodaya rebel against me. Now, what Victoria. Now, they and their father has been and revolts against me to this very day. No, to this very day. Revolts it and made a puto sickle. No, Dalo revolts it and made up put away in metal, away the part or away the party pani. No. Kapuro Toraya, no, do away party pan, no. This very day, la Pagter Mala Moon certainly, no, that the people to whom I am sent youths are obstinate and stubborn. Say to them, no, Pagter Ma obstinate and stubborn Sidane, no, Pala Pagter Ma Naki do Pala a cuckoo, no. When a panakira pala a cocoa, no? Penny did I learn, no? What did I learn? Yes, sir, on a soup potted pony, me potted pala a nakiro a cuckoo, no? Panakiro a cuckoo, don't namateba, say to them, no? Namateba, oh, did I know? This is why the Soviets love say. Talo Soviet, I want me poad. Awan me poala sopa poala adu ketele apa bata poala adu ketele apa bata ni no le tan ko ro pe ro te le tatami phe no when ni kasa ywa le adu kete le te we da di no and whether they listen or fail to listen no pagten mala awati ka dukanata do mit mi wara awati pagten ma te ro dukanata ba no pagten ma no awati te ero ma khuta ba pagten ma no for there are a rebellious house no awani awati te pa ni me pwati te pa la hi phu kho phu lu no a pu tho ta prata pra ti pa lo no they will know that the prophet has been among them no awati ka ti nya we la awai ni da no we ti te pa la no pagten ma la ke khu ke na la awati mo no ki kwa thwe awati and you no do pe awati bra na no do na ni no pagten ma la no do na ni son of man pa ka nyo phu kwa u no na ni no do not be afraid of them or their walls no pagten ma na ba lo pida phura le awati ba do awati ka tu da ti pha ba no do not be afraid thorns berries and thorns are all around you and you live among scorpion no pagten ma phane do ta lo scorpion ne phain ni no medical ko ra ba sa pa pa ka nyo klo ne ko ra medical le ko ra particular no di to so lo no medical particular di so lo ne ba lo plida ba no do awan ni ne ba lo su ku ra la awan te o ro ba ki den ma ta su ta ka mo no do we le awan te color le na ku na khe ti ta pha no do ba ki den ma le na ka ba o mu le kwa thwe awan ti le do not be afraid of what they say or terrified by them no pagten ma la ne ba lo pli awati ba no no ma lo pli awati ba no pagten ma la phai ni no ko ra la awati ta ma pli ma phu ti pha si ko or terrified by them awati ta ma pli ma phu ti pha si ko ne ba lo pagten ma lo te pli ki mo no ero te ba no though they are a rebellion house no awati ta pha ni me pwa ti ta pha la a pu do ta pe ta pra ti ta pha ni lo no le ta no ka you must speak my words to them no na ba ka to wa ra je ta si ta ka to lo awati o no ye ta si ta ka to lo whether they listen or fail to listen no pagten ma awati ka du ka na me gi no awati pagten ma te do du ka na ba me gi no feel no pagten ma fe ne lotte no lotte pagten awati te do ma khu da ba me no for they are rebellion no le awati ne me pwa ti pha lo po pu tho ta pu ta pra ne lo no fe ne te la bus shoes no me me ko na ni son of man no pa ka nyo phu kwa no te la son of man pa nyo phu listen to what I say to you number do ga na ta le yete what I say to you yete do not rebel like that no like the rebellious house no na ba lo thoda ta loga di tu pwati pha lo up thoda ro ta pe ta pra ne ba no pwati pha no hi phu kho phu pa de du de thelo a pu ro ta pra na ba loga di ni tu ba mo no ero te we no open your mouth and eat what I give you te ra no oro na ko pu do o tang le ye hi na ni no tang le ye hi na o then I look no we run in yakwara no no and I saw a hand no stretched out to me no but I yeti wara la su no pagten ma la yo tho ta su yo o no yo tho ta su o in it was a score no pagten ma away ni me ta la away pagten lead to no pagten ma la su pu ni o lead to mo no te ra no which no he's enrolled before me no enrolls no the color aware le yemenya no aware to aware orora no on both sides of it were written words of lemons or the morning no morning and wolf no pagten ma ta tu sa o do lo ga de tu lo pagten ma lo no ta kwa ra de pha no and he said to me no do away tebra ya no do away tebra son of man no pa kanyo phu kwa eat no later to ni le nga ba eat nga ba or ni le no what is before you no away ni le na me nya ti pha ni mni le ni or is this scrolls no bakter ma no away ni mi ta le na ba or the two no then go and speak to the house of Israel no na ba or li si dan away ni Basic to the you are gluten made up or you are gluten. Okay, we're talking about the gospel meal. We eat in food. This food is the gospel. We eating. No, I want to order no. Let them go down. Did I pay no? Speak to the house of Israel. The market to the super Israel for hippo with it pa. So I open my mouth, no. We run a oro Jacobu, no Jacobu, and he get me the score to eat, no. When it score sit down and make down a little tuning do all, no, little ta or little tuning do on, no. Then he said to me, no, the whatever, son of man, no. Whatever, no. There are Pagayo eat this score I am giving you and fill your stomach with it, no. Stomach with it. Pagterma away ni tala little twinny ye hilona, do Pagterma away ni map with on the hooper, no. Map with on the hooper niggy, no. So I ate it, no. We run your over them, no. And it's tasty and sweet as honey in my mouth. Now, when it made a wee baby, no, but then I'm a tan no moon so long. But then long I did to the pretend no can so no aware no never can so did you call logical no. He then said to me, the awake tevaya, no. Son of man, no, go down to the house of Israel and speak my words to them. My words to them. No pain it le, no live on a level super Israel for hippo copoted pani, no catuda le jaglita, su away the only, no, catuda, catu jaglita su away the omen, no. You are not being sent to a speech of obscure speech and the difficult language, no. Penny cobra no cobra obscure sita ne mira talo upla no talo upla le taki no taki le pagiten ma le ha top no ha when it tak pagiten ma takin no work to da no talo upla and the mira le tak or taki le in the wasikoba cannot do it, no. Let them go to penny per crop to patala, but down no, per crop to patala, but down sicorom. Gay, because sukumo, but down cathedral, no, patala taki, no. When it tevra love penny, no, but to the house of Israel, no, Basanaki on ma pagitamana, super Israel, a hippo copunelo, no, not too many people of obscure speech and the difficult language, not the middle of Pagitamala, no, away ni Pagitamala, no, tau plowing and the bucket to dollar parkatin power, $10 per islapo, a dupo turpo, tit power, no, no, error, dividend, no, take to the pie, no, put around. Those who you cannot understand, no, because na pakanyo tir phala awati the planet tanu put na pura no awani. Surely if I have sent you to them, no, when it me tamita loti lo se no me le yethelo awati yethelo na su awati lo no, they would have listened to you, no, awati the planet kadukana no kadukana, but the house of Israel is not willing to listen to you because they are not willing to listen to me, no. Basada kiro awati the pani no pagitera mala willing sidan awati kadukana wala kadukana no. Paini awati they are not sidan. Mitala awati the pani the dukana ba bamlu kula awati the dukana yaba holo. no let the kutaro pa krasukumo sikoro for the whole house of Israel is hardened and abstain no pagiterma hardens and abstain sitane metala pagiterma no paini pagitedile no tala harden and me puati pala pagida aku no asuko obtain no Lobitin ma obtain anaki no obtinate no anaki puati pana obtinate no anaki but I will make huge and yelling and harden no pagiterma pain as they are no pagiterma na yekamana didro awati pagiterma la didro awati no yekamana la and yelling didro awa nakalenu nethitalen wasu awati la awat no do tatuku taku dit paneva no I will make you no foreheads like the hardest stone no do yekamana ditu pagiter mala sunya lo khona lo pagiter loga ditu ro pagiter mala taku no taku loga ditu ro le no harder than fleece no pagiter mala gone ri awati ri mo no fleece sidane mitala le mi loga ditu le mi no maku tho ma ku tho pain no when it logati to learn me let them do not be afraid of them or terrified by them no nabalo pli with ba no tala awate pagtel mala no matli ma phuta tit phasikoni nabalo pli ba no awate no let them ko ta ro ne pakrapatu pata no pain no pain tebra no Penny throws the ours a rebellion's house. Couple of what did find me potted parlor a todu toda, not tapra, a todu toda. And he said to me, no, he said to me, the away Tebaya, he said to me, son of man, Pakanyo Pukwa, not no. Listen carefully and take to heart, no, hear at all the words I speak to you, no. Pagtera mala namba dukana titi baba no titi baba ro hi ne wera no dukana takhle kasile ye tebana no takatu ti phale ye tebana ne ki no go down to your countrymen and exhort and speak to them no tala exhort sitane pain pagte ti le no pwala ta hodo ko le athi ko pa ko na pa ne no Pakon no malelo pakitan mala to paganyo to bu do pakitan mala aweni patit phalata hoda ko ti ko bu do namba ka tu da with it save to them no do teba with it no whether they listen or fail to listen no pakitan mala pakitan awati dugana ta megi awati pakitan fail to dugana sidana no lot tailor ta dugana pu megi no pakitan mala fail ne lot tem no lot tailor do ta dugana pu megi no then the spirits lifted me up no ulone no ta so shine dugesedakia and I am here behind me and lost no picture mala rambling no song no rambling song the picture mala talo rambling song ni me tam ni ti mi le no pay ni toruru no ta toruru lo ta to the pa no legend locky ni no picture ma here behind me no yana hu legend locky ni no me ta la ta so ra no so loud sit ne pha do picture ma din ma no Hey ni no ta so le locky ni no ta so le locky ni may the glories of the Lord the praise and the dwelling place tala dwelling place ni he lo so no he lo so let that go ta pay ni more positive picture ka sa you are no may the glory no ta la ka po no to the Lord ta la ka po ka ba ka sa you are no pagitana mala sitop petra no aware pagitana uta suda alone ki ero david din mo no Yeah, the sound of the wind of the living creatures brushing against each others, and the sound of the wheel not beside them, and a loud rambling song when it not beside them. La akapu kapani no, where put ma ta thought ta the no rura no. The spirit then lifted me up and took me away. No, penirata so shine no. Aware do sitter do get sitter yado aware share later you know no. Let no go up a pay lip thing and I went and bitter and in the angels of my spirits now bitter sit down and made a cat nana no cat nana panel of mala mukukulu no mukukulu yeta soshi no mukukulu ni no puitela man no Penny with the strong hand of the Lord upon me. Penny strong hands it amira no sulu assume no sulu assume no parola su ya pako. No, I came to the Azor who live as not tell a bit abyss near by the Kava river, and there where they were living, I sat among them for 7 days. No, penny no japaga. Jamuniva 7 days overwhelming. No lubergui kabergui manama pomata buitane no away no. Nuini, not 7 day, nuini, food, no? Let no good out no japalo, no, when you know japala tapita matit pala, no, jika quattro with it, le tasu takamo, puta, luber, bucaba, buja, jetaka hugaya, pumano, and they were dinner. Yes, not for dinner, no, you should think about this one and that you will really bear by yourself what is the mean about the no Ezekiel chapter 2 verse 3 no chapter 2 and chapter 3 no chapter 3 1 to 15 you will read it there no the all thing what I talk about today and that I reading about this Bible this Ezekiel is the God call him and then telling him how to do okay and then go to Israel people. No, this is not new. This is an old one, but we should remember and reading. Okay, we should think about by ourselves. Sometimes we doing such a thing, and that the God sends someone to teaching us or showing us we are the believer. This mean right. Let us go up a crop to put up a me let sukina kita loga dito pa isila po daga to do the to do ta ka do ne pa ta ka te pa daga ka la ke sik to pa ni lo me su ki kli tha lo sui we ko no ade le mu tin nya ni ki no tab de ma lo God bless you, God bless the gospel, and then God bless you household. Okay, God will take care of you. Thank you so much my brother and sister. I will see you later again. Okay, bye bye.